Hey you guys, my Temu stuff finally came and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So I'm just gonna pull everything out. Basically, I picked out 2 dresses and I'm super pleasantly surprised by the quality of the dress. It is so cute. So it's just this basic black maxi dress with little white trim, which I think is really sporty. I'll do another video actually trying everything on, but I just wanted to show you guys first. Like, this is pretty nice. So this is the first dress, and then the second dress I got is a super cute Y2K type of moment. It reminds me a lot of, what is that brand? I can't remember it right now, but this chevron print is so cute. I think this would be a really nice like bikini cover up. I love the long sleeves. It's actually slightly flare at the end. But yeah, like the quality of this is really nice too. It's super soft. I think this dress was only $10 and the black dress was only $8. So that is so amazing. And then the back is backless. So I can't wait to try this on. The next thing I got was this pair of slides. So I'm sure you guys have seen this everywhere. Like, I see a lot of people in my neighborhood wearing them. On Amazon, these sell for like $23, and on Temu, they were like less than, $4. So cute. They definitely will do the job just for walking around, like walking my dog. Super cushy, super cute, and I love the color. Really, really happy with these. And then the last one are these satin PJs. So let me go ahead and shake this out. It's kind of hard to pull them out with one hand, so just give me a second to pull this out. All right. This is so cute. So I knew that this was going to be a satin material. I think this is also less than $10 and it's a 2-piece set. I love this for going to bed in. It is so cute. Okay, I'm obsessed. So cute. I can't wait to try them on for you guys. Stay tuned for the next video.